Hi everyone, I'm really excited about today's video. I'm going to be talking about my analog basket. So I have been seeing this all over TikTok and I think it's just the perfect solution for my ADHD brain. So I'm the type that's like out of sight, out of mind. I never use any of my stickers or supplies because it's just tucked away, it's in a pouch or it's in the drawer, and I just never use it because I just grab my planner, which is always out, and then I just don't use any of the fun stuff that I want to use. So I found this basket at the thrift store. It was only $5. It's a great place to get a basket. This was the perfect size and it's like light enough for me to carry, not too big or heavy. So, and it has like a handle and it just feels like I'm going on a picnic with my planner supplies. I'm able to fit my journals and planners in here. I have all of my favorite pens. I have it in a cup right here and I just kind of stuffed it right there. I have all of my rulers and stencils, and then I have like little mini sticker books. And then in here I have mini stickers, and I also have page flags and post-it notes. And then I got this bigger pouch for like bigger stickers, like cloth and paper stickers, a lot of like the shape stickers and everything that I use. And then in the back I have some sticker books. And then on this side I have a blank notebook. I just like to use that for scratch paper and stuff. And then I have this little cloth and paper pouch that I use for markers, glue sticks, scissors, and all that. And then of course my planner. I put my planner right here, and then when I want to plan, I grab this entire basket and then I can see everything. There's no friction because everything is out in the open. I can grab a pen easily. I can grab my planner easily. I can see all the stickers that I have. And I think it's perfect for people who have that out of sight, out of mind. I tried the little stationery bag. So I bought this little Bible cover journaling stationery bag, and I thought it would be perfect for me. You know, it had like all the slots for all the pens, it had so many pockets, it had another pouch for all of the accessories and everything, and so many zippers and compartments. But having that many compartments made it so much harder for me to open up. Like, it just sat on my desk like this and I never opened it up. I don't know why, but it was just another thing for me to do. And then having to open this up and grab my pens made it really hard for me as well. So I quickly abandoned this, but I still think I didn't return it because I still loved all the accessories that these Bible cover cases comes with. It came with highlighters, colored pens, gel pens, this notebook that was super thin and really cute, and then some tabs that I didn't really use. But I used almost everything else in that journaling supply kit. And, you know, if I want to travel, this could be a good travel bag or something. Yeah, so the analog basket seems like it will work way better for my brain. That's my little basket setup. If you guys haven't heard of it, check out Analog Basket on TikTok and you'll find tons of videos on it. I'm going to leave it on my desk, and hopefully I can start using my journaling supplies a lot more and start journaling more and planning more creatively. Let me know what you think about this analog basket versus the journaling supply bag. And let me know in the comments what you prefer. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.